Welcome back to my channel Kirtiga Entertainment. Today I will tell you uh, some tips in SQL. First tip is how to use the how without creating table, how we can upload the script file into SQL environment or you're on SQL command line. Second, how to set the line size. Third, how to set the page size. These three are important. First thing I want to tell you, suppose I have no time to create an employee table, then there is one script, okay, that will be run in SQL command prompt, so that it will be automatically create an table, employee table and others department tables. Okay, so this code you can see here. If you want to this okay, if you want to this predefined script, then you can mail. So I'll be sent your email. Okay, this is the first to see. Okay, here you can find all the tables previously you have created, that will be dropped. Okay, then again you will be create the employee table, which is the data members, and after that it will be insert the value into that employee table. Okay, then after it will be create also one department table, and this value also inserted here, and this is also create bonus and also value. So now what will do, these things I want to this script file I want to uploaded or used in my SQL prompt. So how I'll be use it, you just see it. Suppose here I'll be write con. Okay, I want to tell you, if anybody wants this script file, then give your mail ID in the description box. I'll be send you this script file, so that without creating or wasting your time, you can directly upload the employee and department table into your database. So here I'll be write the suppose system is the username and system is the password. Okay, then what will do, how to load it, upload it. Now I have put suppose here I'll be con, okay, system and here password also system. Okay, then I have uploaded, then I have login into SQL command prompt, so that here first will see, you can find in D drive my Oracle SQL. Here you can find SQL. In this file type is SQL is stored. So now I will be upload into now my SQL command prompt. So how to upload it? You will write @ okay, D : /. Okay, we will write what is the file name, Oracle and .SQL, and give the semicolon. Okay, then you can find build demonstration table. Please wait, demonstration table build is completed. So that now you can write select, okay, star from EMP, you can find these tables. Okay, have you seen these tools? Now I will tell you what is the difference between set line size and set page size. So you can guess here, okay, you can know that it is difficult to read out, because this line is not straight, because after column you can find your department number is the go to the new line or broken down. So what will happen? It is the to read out, it is very difficult. So what I'll do, I want to watch it properly, this table proper way, so that department number column should be come, okay, right side of a column. So what will do here, you will be, there is one command, set line size. Line size means how many, set line size. Line size means how many total number of character you want to display in one line. Okay, line size means how many number of character you want to display in one line. So generally by default line size is 80. Okay, so first I'll be line size is 80. That means 80 means that is up to COMM. I think COMM, so that after COMM it will be broken into the next line. So what we'll do, I think after 80, 20, then department is limited within 20, so that default is 80 and I add plus 20, that means 100. If you write the set line size, okay, line size 100, then I think it will be come in one line. So here I'll be check select star from, okay, EMP and check what is come in one line or not. Yes, it is come in. So it is now proper way. You can easily read this file. Easily read you can easily read this database. Okay, so set line size means how many number of characters will be displayed in one line. So it is default is 80. So I'll be default 80 means it is up to come. It will be display 80 characters, so that after line is broken into the next line. So here I'll be added 20, so that total if I give the 100, then this rest DBT is limited to 20 characters. So that if when you write set line size 100, it will display in one line state. Okay, so this is the set line size. Now I'll discuss about set lines page size. Set page size. Okay, set page size is default value is 14. That means total number of row you can display here. Okay, so total you can find here. I have written select star from employee, so that you count number of rows. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means, okay, default value is 14. So your next column name header will be repeated in again 14th line. Okay, your next column or header will be repeated in the 14th line. Suppose if you write here, okay, set page size, you will be write set page size 0, then you can find that means it will be display all the data, okay, without repeating the headers. So you see here, okay, without repeating the header, it will be display the all the data. Okay, so what page size 0 means, here you can find your header will not be display. Okay, it will remove your header. So it is not actually good practical that to remove the header. So here again I will be set, okay, here again I will be set page size 14 to the previous. Okay, so here you can display again I will be display select star from 14, it will be display the header size. Okay, so that next what will print, now 14 means, okay, in the 14th line your header file will be display. Okay, if you write 15, you just see it. If you write 15, then you can find in the 15th line your header file will be displayed. So we count 1, 2, Smith is 2, Allen 3, had 4, word 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you want to, okay, if you want to these records store into one page, then you count or how many number of value here you write. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13, then 14 and 15. Okay, right. This is the 15, then 16, 17. Okay, you add these two columns. Okay, 16, 17. That means you will be 15 is the this row header this header row, second header is equal to 15. Then you add two rows is 16, 17, so that two row will be, okay, moved to the upper, so that here is right Okay, if you instead you will write a 17, that means again you see what will display. You can find no header will be display again. So that, okay, 17 means what? After 17 it will be display the header again, but though there is no data, so header is not repeated here. So we check, okay, so we check here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, okay, 16. 16 is this the blank space, and 17 is the again type the headers, but there is no data, so it will not display. Okay, I think you have understood properly. If you have understood, then comment and like, share. If you are new to method, then subscribe it. Okay, bye, thank you.